Would you believe me if I told you I had just relaxed her hair? Yeah, I did. It's actually a virgin relaxer. Now, if you're considering a relaxer and you're a natural girl, if I relax your hair, this is how your hair is going to look. You're still going to have a curl pattern and density. And when I blow dry it, this is what it's going to look like. Now, she was natural for about 7 years and she wanted to try something different. So if you're considering it, hey, go for it. If not, don't do it. But that's how her hair looked after I flat ironed it. She was happy with the results. But remember, when you wash your hair, it's going to revert back to that curl pattern. So if you're considering it, hit me up. Bye.